Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. So this video is on body mechanics in relation to the vibrational scale of the physical vital body, the astral body, the mental body, and the akasha. Now, there's 4 different levels of tension when you're working with these energy layers. When you're on vital, your joints are pushed open. Your fascia is very taut, so there's a lot of tension in your fascia, but your muscles are released and relaxed. So relaxed muscles, tense fascia. So it's like you're hanging on a pull-up bar and totally relaxing. Your body is taut, and then you're generating a peak of life force. Now, as you relax this tension back, you'll have a point at which you're generating more life force than you're using in order for that production system to work. So when you're hitting the peak of life force between your hands, you have a sense of tension in your will, in your yi, in your feeling, in the production of that force. So that has a very definitive feeling. Now when you relax into the astral body, you release time and you go to the 4-ounce bridge. It's like you're in a swimming pool in a big body of fluid. So the tension is far more relaxed and released, and the feeling totally different to vital. Vital body is very tensile. The astral body is very, very soft and relaxed and fluidic. Now when you go to the mental body, you're going to attentive awareness. So there's a very, very strong awareness in your body in relation to your mind, but this tension, it still exists. It's attentive awareness. So when you're working with a person's center of balance, you touch their balance and you extend the yi and you break balance and you move their mental body, you have a type of tension in your mind and it reflects through the body. It has a body connection there for that Fa Shen to work. So Fa Jin, high tensile tension. Fa Qi, it's astral, that's how the form is usually described, it's fluidic. And Fa Shen, it's mental sharpness, it's mental concentration, mental attentiveness. So this type of tension is a concentration of the mind which connects through the body, through the astral and physical forms. From there we go into the into the akashic body, into the akasha itself. Now the akashic tension is like being drunk. There is nothing there for the mind to cling to, the energy to cling to. There is no body. So when a person's drunk, their mental matrix neutralizes, and when their mental matrix becomes neutral, they drift in and out of the astral and physical form. So when you're cultivating akasha, that sense of drunkenness is quite strong in the beginning. But then when you get used to it, you're just this empty vessel, and the energy and mind move in and out without getting caught by your body. So we need this drunken body state in order for akasha to efficiently move through your system. If your body is tense, then the akasha will break. You need a drunken body. So this feeling inside your body has to be no boundaries. And the timeless, spaceless, infinity quality within the mind lets go of the type of mental tension that you have within the normal quality of yi. So these 3 levels of tension and mechanics, the vital is the joints are open, the fascia is taut, the muscles are relaxed, and you hit that peak of vital force. In the astral, you're working with principles of hydraulics and fluid. You have high density of fluid, but it's very, very relaxed and soft. In the mental, there's mental tension, concentration, connectivity, that the mind is connected through the body and extending outwards, and the yi is present and regulating. And then in the akasha body mechanics, you have the drunken body. There's no boundaries. The yi, the mind, the energies are just moving in and out of the bodies, and it is formless. That means the form doesn't contain it. We need this drunken quality inside of it. Okay, so I hope this helps with the body mechanics in relation to the 4 energy layers, the physical, astral, mental, and akasha. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next video.